Now, a second step, partners capital account. So, under admission and retirement, partners capital account is the second step. So, this partners capital account is a combined partners capital account. So, here we won't prepare a separate partners capital account here. We will prepare together, that is combined partners capital account. Now, so assume A and B are a old partner, C will be considered as a new partner. So, under partners capital account, any transactions or any entries related to partners, those entries you have to pass here. So, that is partners capital account. So, A, B, C will be considered as a new partner. Now, first under partners capital account, we have to record their capitals. First we have to record their capitals, that is a balance brought down. So, this is balance brought down means the old partners capital. So, this old partners capital, you will get it in the question, that is in the balance sheet. Then next from balance sheet only, general reserve, reserve fund, next profit and loss we have to share among the old partners in a old ratio. So, first capitals we have to record of old partners which has given in the old balance sheet, and next accumulated profit or loss which has given in the balance sheet. So, that is old balance sheet. So, general reserve, reserve fund, profit or loss we have to share among the old partners in their old ratio. Now, come to the first step, revaluation account. So, revaluation account, if you get profit, so this profit we have to record the credit side. So, this profit as per the first step you will get debit side. So, here we have to transfer under partners capital account credit side. So, amount of two partners, that is old partners. Then next goodwill, goodwill and capital brought by the new partner in the form of cash. Now, goodwill brought by the new partner in the form of cash. So, that we can say case 1 and 2. Goodwill brought by the new partner in the form of cash, that goodwill withdrawn by the old partner, that is case 1. Case 2, goodwill brought by the new partner in the form of cash, so that goodwill withdrawn by the retained by the partner. So, two cases here. So, goodwill brought by the new partner in the form of cash. So, that goodwill amount we have to share among the old partners in the sacrifice ratio. Which ratio? Sacrifice ratio. So, in the absence of sacrifice ratio, this goodwill amount we can share in old ratio itself, in old ratio only. So, it is clear that goodwill brought by the new partner in the form of cash, if that goodwill withdrawn by the old partners, so debit side we have to record to cash account. So, goodwill withdrawn. So, withdrawn by whom? Old partners. Next, second case, goodwill brought by the new partner in the form of cash. So, that goodwill retained into the business. It means the goodwill amount they will continue in the business. So, that time, so this goodwill amount should be added along with the cash. So, if you are not preparing a cash or bank account separately, so this adjustment we can show in the third step while preparing a balance sheet asset side, cash and bank balance plus new partners capital plus goodwill. If goodwill withdrawn in balance sheet, you have to minus, that is cash capital minus goodwill. And next, new partners capital. So there is C is capital. So C is capital recorded under a C's column. So this is about the entries we are going to pass under a combined partners capital account. So first, capital general reserve fund PL account which has given in the balance sheet liability side. Suppose if you get PL account asset side in the question in the balance sheet, that PL account will be treated as loss. If you get asset side profit and loss account, that PL account is treated as loss. So that should be recorded under partners capital account debit side, and it should be shared among the old partners in their old ratio. Or next, revaluation account if you get loss. So losses should be recorded debit side. So revaluation account loss. So these are the entries we are going to pass under a combined partners capital account. So after passing all the entries, once again I will repeat. First we have to record their capitals, and then accumulated profit or loss which has given in the balance sheet, revaluation account profit, and goodwill brought by the new partner in the form of cash. So that we have to share in sacrifice ratio. And next, new part that is new partners capital in new partners column. Then debit side, if goodwill withdrawn, we have to record. Next, profit or loss, if you get losses under a asset side in balance sheet, so that amount we have to share among the old partners. Then if you get revaluation account loss, debit side. Now you have to close. So credit balance minus debit balance. So credit balance minus debit balance. So this will be the balance. So this balance sheet figure transferred to balance sheet balance carried down. So this amount transferred to new balance sheet. That is the third step under admission and retirement. And by balance brought down. So along with the new partners capital, we have to transfer. So it is clear that under second step, partners capital account, these are the entries you have to pass. Now the next step is a new balance sheet.